Hello, friends. It's Tim from the Cape Knights Gallery, and I'm excited to tell you that the 2022 workshop experiences are now out and available for sign up. We've got some great night photography events set up for you to enjoy this year. And of course, we're bringing back some of the old favorites that people tend to keep coming back for. And I have added a few new events this year, including Vineyard Stars, which is a 2-night weekend workshop on Martha's Vineyard in May, for people of any skill level who are looking to get new locations. Maybe you've already shot all the Cape Cod stuff and you're all set. Have you been out to the island after dark on a Milky Way evening? If you have not, you are in for a huge treat. I will be hosting 6 photographers across multiple locations over the course of 2 nights to help you get some amazing shots on one of New England's most awesome island destinations. Best part about these workshops is you're with a group of people. You don't have to worry about trying to find locations on your own. Some people just enjoy the camaraderie of like-minded creative people out in the field. Some people just want to have the safety of accessing locations with other folks. Whatever the reason is, I do have a few spaces left available for you. Check out all the workshop listings at capecodworkshops.com. Let me know if you have any questions, and I hope to see you outside after dark in 2022. Take care.